Welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Today we are going to talk about what do you mean by true education. Education is the most powerful weapon. The basic principle of education is not just knowledge acquisition. It's also applying knowledge to life and practice of one virtues and values. Education is not simply gaining knowledge, but also being in harmony with all beings. Let me tell you one story in this regard. It is a beautiful story of boatman and a philosopher. I hope many of you might have heard this story in your school days. In this story, a boatman is a common man, humble and down-to-earth human being. But philosopher is a great scholar and somewhat arrogant. Since he is well versed in many topics, he always wants to show off his knowledge to everyone. One day, the boatman and philosopher were crossing the ocean. Now, see the conversation between the boatman and the philosopher. The philosopher asked the boatman, "Oh boatman, do you know philosophy?" The boatman replied, "No, sir, I don't know philosophy." "Okay, boatman, then do you know science?" The philosopher asked the second question. "No, sir, I don't know science too," the boatman replied again. "Do you know at least psychology, boatman?" asked the philosopher. "No, sir, I don't know even psychology. I never studied what you are talking. I don't even understand what you are trying to say. I am just a boatman. My only knowledge is swimming." Then the philosopher said, "Poor boatman, you don't know philosophy, you don't know science, you don't know even psychology, you don't know anything at all. Your life is waste. You have surely wasted 70% of your life," said the philosopher. During this conversation, suddenly there was a heavy rain and a kind of cyclone broke out in the midst of ocean. Now, the boatman humbly asked the philosopher, "Do you know swimming, sir?" The philosopher laughed and says, "What, boatman? I am a great scholar in science and philosophy. What is the age of swimming to me now?" said the philosopher. "Sorry, sir. Now the boat seems to be in trouble. It is sinking now," said the boatman with a calm state of mind. Now, dear friends, tell me who is great now? Philosopher is great or boatman is great? Whose life is waste now? Philosopher life is waste or boatman life is waste? Philosopher knowledge is great or boatman application of knowledge is great? Dear friends, nobody knows everything in this world. Nobody is perfect in every subject. The boatman may not be a great scholar. The boatman may not be well versed in all subjects, but he is expert in his own profession. Please remember, you may be a great scholar, you may be a great scientist, or you may be a great philosopher, but unless you are a good human being, your life is waste. The real education is not being a great scholar, but being a good human being. As Rabindranath Tagore said, the highest education is that which doesn't merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Thank you. Thank you for watching.